Good morning, student. Today we are continue our third lesson, indices and cube root. Okay. In previous session, we saw meaning of numbers with rational indices. For example, a raised to 1 by n means nth root of a. Nth root of a. Or for another example is 7 raised to 1 by 4 means 4th root of 7. Now in this session we see same the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m by n, and the previous we saw 1 by n. Okay, then how to find with some examples here. We know that square of 8 is equal to 64. Square of 8 is equal to 64. Then cube root of 64. Cube root of 64. How to write it? In the numbers in bracket 64 raised to 1 by 4, and we replace 64 by 8 square. 8 square raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, cube root of square of 8 is 4. We give the first sentence equation, sentence number first, which is second. Therefore, similarly, cube root of 8 is equal to the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Now, square root of 8 is square of cube root of 8 means in bracket 8 raised to 1 by 3 bracket square is equal to 2 square 8 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 2 square 4. Statement number second and first. From statement second and first, cube root of square of 8 is equal to the square of cube root of 8. Means here 8 square raised to 1 by 3 is equal to the 8 raised to 1 by 3 bracket raised to 2 are equal. Okay. Using indices, 8 square bracket raised to 1 by 3 is equal to the 8 raised to 1 by 3 raised to square. The rule for rational indices are the same as those for integral. Okay. Now we see next. Similarly, 27 raised to 1 by 4 is equal to, we take numerator inside. You know that 4 into 1 by 4, you know that the one laws of indices, which a raised to m into n or a raised to m into 1 by n is equal to the a raised to m by n. Similarly here 27 raised to 4 by 5 is equal to the 27 raised to 4 bracket raised to 1 by 5. The meaning of this is means fifth root of 1 by 5 means fifth root of 4th power of 27, and 27 raised to 4 by 5, how to write it? First we take the square root, root means 1 by 5. 27 raised to 1 by 5 raised to 4, and how to read it? Means 4th power of 5th root of 27. Okay, like that. Generally we can express two meaning of the number a raised to m. How? The first one is a raised to m by n is equal to the a raised to m bracket raised to 1 by n is meaning of the first we take 1 by n. 1 by n means nth root of m power of a. Again, how to read a raised to m 1 by n? nth root of mth power of a. Okay, and the second meaning is a raised to m by n is equal to the, in bracket we take 1 by n, a raised to m 1 by n raised to m, and meaning of this mth power of nth root of a. Again I repeat this concept. Here a raised to m by n, here m by n is the rational indices of number, and how there are two meanings. Here the root of power or power of root. In case of a raised to m raised to 1 by a raised to m raised to 1 by n, in this means nth power, nth root of mth power of a, and in second meaning is a raised to 1 by n is equal to the a raised to 1 by n raised to m is equal to the mth power of nth root of a. Okay, now let us see some examples. Okay, therefore using the rule a raised to m raised to a raised to m raised to n is equal to the m into n. You know that there is one rule. Okay, we get 8 square raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 2 is equal to the 8 raised to 2 by 3. How to write the 8 raised to 2 by 3? There are the two things, 8 raised to 8 square raised to 1 by 3 or 8 raised to 1 by 3 bracket square. In this way we write 8 raised to 2 by 3. From this we get two meaning of the number 8 raised to 2 by 3. We see first example, 8 raised to 1 by 3 8 raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 8 square bracket raised to 1 by 3, 8 square bracket raised to 1 by 3, that is cube root of square of 8. 1 by 3 means cube root, and bracket square raised to 2 means square, cube root of square of 8. And the second way, 8 raised to 2 by 3 is equal to the 8 raised to 1 by 3 bracket square. Its meaning is, the first we take the outside bracket, means square of cube root of 8, square of cube root of 8. Again we repeat this topic. Here 8 raised to 2 by 3, how to write it? There are two types of writing, means here 8 raised to 2 bracket raised to 1 by 3, and how to read it? First we take the bracket raised to, what is it? 1 by 3 means cube root of square of 8, and in second way 8 raised to 1 by 3 bracket square means it is square of cube root of 8, square of cube root of 8. Now we see next examples. For example, first 225 raised to 3 by 2 means here we write down in the two ways. The first way is power of the root, means cube of square root of 225. Understood? Power of the root. Here the numerator is power and denominator is root. Here numerator is 3 means cube of, here the 2 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator, cube of square root of 225. And the second way, root the power, means here the root, which is the root? Denominator. Which is denominator here? 2 means square root of the square root of cube of 225. Again I repeat, there are two meanings here. power of root, and root of power. Power means the numerator number we take the power. Here 3 means cube, and the denominator is 2 means here square root. Now here in the first way, power of the root, cube of square root of 225, or in root of the power is square root of cube of 225. Now we see the second. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. The first one is square root of fifth power of 120. Sorry, it is 27. Sorry, you consider it is pretty mistake. Square root of fifth root of, here you we consider here not 27, not 121. Here we consider the 27. Then the square root means here in bracket, outside bracket 1 by 2, and the fifth power, then 27 raised to 5 bracket raised to 1 by 2. Sorry for, again we consider it is not 121. Here we consider here 27. It is typing mistake. Okay. Thank you.